file on the SD card. So now we'll insert it into the 3D printer. Turn it on. Print from TF. We named it Cross 3. I have a lot of files on here. There it is, Cross 3. And hit enter. It'll now warm up the bed and it will warm up the nozzle. Sometimes to get it to stick, you might need to use a layer of tape or use a glue stick to rub over top of it. So in a few minutes, once it heats up, it should start printing. We have just some silk white PLA already loaded, so I'm going to use that. Okay, you probably can't see the screen through the phone. There we go. The bed's up to temperature, and now the nozzle is heating. It's at 28 degrees. Once that gets to 200, or a little over, it should start printing. Okay, it's about up to temp, so it should start any minute here. You can go ahead and lay down a little bit of glue. I like to do it right before it starts so it's still sticky. Okay, it's going to position itself back to the start position. Just going to lay down a little bit of filament. And then it starts printing. Flashlight here. And there's the shape of the cross. And we'll come back when it's a little further along. It's a good idea to keep an eye on your prints. Sometimes they don't stick and you gotta stop it, and if you don't, it just wastes plastic. And if it doesn't stick, you gotta start over, just peel it off and then throw it in my scrap pile, and then maybe adjust your bed, add some more glue to get it to stick, and then try again. This is a fairly quick print. I think it was only around 7 minutes. So it takes the filament off the spool, it feeds it in here, brings it through the Bowden tube, and out the nozzle. From here I can change my settings. I can speed it up, I can change the temperature. Looks like it's already 41% done. Done, and there we have it. Go ahead and turn that off. Sometimes you need to scrape it off. And there it is, just a simple, quick print.